To what light do these shadows owe their existence? My brain has been washed, my brain has been mangled, heart remains shining through the cracks. A frightened ghost scurries in, waking me up from torturing myself with dreams of you. Extraterrestrial cellmate paces, eating stale biscuits, staring at the wall the way I always wanted to.